Replacing a small step-in shower with a bath can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, depending on a bunch of factors like plumbing, materials, and labor. Alright, so if you're thinking about swapping that shower for a bathtub again, first, check if all the original plumbing really is in good shape. Like you said, if the drain and pipes are where they used to be and still work, that saves you a ton of hassle and cash. Next, pick a tub size that fits your bathroom without making it feel cramped. Measure twice, buy once. You know? Also, think about the type of tub. Acrylic ones are usually cheaper and easier to install than cast iron. Don't forget to look at the floor underneath. If there's any water damage from the pump issues or old leaks, fix that before putting in the new tub. When you're ready to hire someone, get multiple quotes from local pros so you don't get stuck paying too much. Consider the old pump system too. If it's causing drainage problems, it might need upgrading or removing. And finally, plan for a few days without your bathroom while the work gets done so you're not caught off guard. One of the biggest mistakes people make when replacing a shower with a bath is ignoring the plumbing's condition, which can lead to leaks and extra repair costs later on. Always get a pro to inspect before starting. Another common issue is choosing the wrong tub size or style, which ends up looking awkward or not fitting properly. Take careful measurements and think about your space beforehand. The third problem is not budgeting enough for unexpected repairs, like fixing water damage or replacing old pipes. Set aside some extra money just in case something pops up. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and offer fair prices. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to connect with people looking for quality work, so everyone wins.